MRNS stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very short 1-minute video till the end to find out. Just for context, I've done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands of dollars on course mentorships, and just observing MRNS. This is heck of a bullish market for me. Now, in general, it was inside the supply area and I gave it opportunity. I was like, right, it's still not yet a buy. If I see a double break, I'm willing to take a short. This thing was like, no, F that, and it just completely started blowing up, which I respect. I definitely respect. My idea was wrong, but no trades got taken purely because my roast did not get met. But yeah, now we're here. Since we started breaking these highs, I want a piece of this bullish buy. So, I mean, it gapped up and that's awful. But if the price retraces just a tad bit, and then I see a proper double break, then and only then this is something that I'll buy. Like everything else in the meantime, it's just rather noise. So that's how MRNS looks like. If you want to make more money trading in a simple yet lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.